Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about our Herbal Tea Concentrate, which is one of my favorite products, and it didn't always used to be, but we'll come back to that. And every week we post new recipe videos plus additional videos featuring the Herbalife Nutrition products and that we're personally using, how we're using them, and why we're using them. But today I'm going to show you 3 different ways to make your Herbal Tea Concentrate. And I'm going to make one for myself, one for my son Keegan, and one for our daughter Courtney. And so the 3 different ways to make it are, you can really do so much. There's way more than 3 ways to make it. But today what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a hot cup of tea. I'm going to do an iced cup of tea. And I'm going to do basically just like a chilled or kind of cool glass of tea. So let's start with mine. So I'm going to have an iced tea today. And I think today I'm going to do the cinnamon herbal tea concentrate. This one is also really good hot. But I like the cinnamon and the mango aloe mixed together. The herbal tea concentrate mixes way better in warmer water. The colder the water, the slower it's going to dissolve. So what I normally do is I measure out my ½ teaspoon of herbal tea concentrate and put it in my glass. And then I add either room temperature or slightly warm water. Since this is mine, I'm just going to add room temperature water, and then I'll mix this up. No problem. And then I'm going to do some of the mango aloe. Now the aloe you can get in 2 different sizes. You can get the pint or you can get the ½ gallon. Economically, it's a little better to get the ½ gallon. Ounce for ounce, it costs less. I'm going to put about a tablespoon in there. And now a couple of reasons for putting the aloe in there. Sometimes people are like, well, why do I have to have that? No, you don't have to have that. The herbal tea concentrate tastes just fine on its own. And the herbal tea concentrate's function really is to burn fat, aid in digestion, so things move through your digestive tract a little bit faster. And it also helps with your appetite a little bit. It's going to give you a little bit of physical energy, but it's not that edgy energy, and there's no crash at the end. So the herbal tea concentrate is definitely a part of our weight management plan. And the herbal aloe drink is also part of our weight management plan, but what it does is it helps to soothe and heal the digestive tract. It also tastes very good. So for people who like sweet tea or sodas and things like that, and they have a hard time with unsweetened things like the herbal tea concentrate, this helps make this taste way yummier. So it's just a way to have some fun with the different things. It'll sweeten up your tea a little bit, and it also aids in digestion much more. You guys ever have those like the family or the holiday meals where it's all the heavy foods and the gravies and the turkeys and all that stuff, and then after dinner you just feel like you have to go to sleep? Well, the herbal tea concentrate helps digest that food faster. Anytime you have a heavy meal like that, also have some herbal tea concentrate, and you're going to notice that you don't have that sluggish feeling after dinner, and you're not going to really feel like you need a nap. It just helps to break those foods down a little faster and move them through the digestive tract faster, so you feel better sooner. All right, so this is mixed. This is cinnamon and mango. And then I'm going to drop a few ice cubes in here in a few minutes, and that one will be mine ready to go. Courtney, like me, likes the original flavored herbal tea concentrate, which really doesn't have any flavor. It just tastes like a green tea. And our herbal tea concentrate does have green tea in it, but it's a combination of a few different teas. So it's not just your average green tea. It does have all the health benefits of green tea because it has green tea in it. So for Courtney, I'm going to put the 1 teaspoon of original in the glass and add the water and mix that up. And now hers is ready to go. And then finally, I have heated some hot water for Keegan's tea. So let's see, for Keegan we're going to do a lemon tea and cranberry aloe mix. That's very good. All right, so again, ½ teaspoon of the herbal tea concentrate and about a tablespoon of the cranberry aloe. And then we'll add the hot water. and here's the hot one. Now when you drink it hot, it does activate much faster. So you're going to notice the energy faster, you're going to notice the digestive help faster. If you are constipated, we recommend drinking the herbal tea concentrate hot at least once a day because it just helps to move things through a little bit faster, but it's not one of those things where you're going to have to stay at the bathroom when you drink it hot, if you know what I mean. So those are the 3 ways that I have for you today. We'll come back and we'll talk more about the herbal tea concentrate because it's a powerhouse part of our nutrition plans, and it's a huge part of our weight management plans. So I'm going to get some ice in these, and we'll be ready to go.